Naiyak po.
Hindi talaga yung
Sa araw ng mga puso, especially sa mga may
Single lady.
single ladies, and also yung may ano ba yan, tawag?
May mga shota.
I would like to congratulate everyone, especially yung may mga partners na kahit despite of the trials and mga shortcomings sa buhay, nagiging solid pa rin yung relationship ninyo.
Yeah!
At sa mga binata,
Sa mga solid ang namin.
moment natin to. Sana ay padama natin kung anong tunay na ibig sabihin ng Valentine's Day. So, happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Yeah!
So, present ito lahat. This song is Your Love. Sana, sabayin niyo ako kung alam niyo.
Okay.
This song goes like this.
May backup singer backup. Wala ko na pwede dance.
Magsaya ka daw.
You're the one that I've been wanting. I'm an ecstasy. I'm all alone without you. That you came into my life, feels so complete. Flowers bloom in the morning light, and I can see.
Pwede ba sumayaw?
Yeah, love, tingin na, tayo ito, tingin na! Sayang, your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. Sayang. Away naman dyan, oh! Sige, mamaya. Ay, kaway naman dyan, oh! Gino, Jane, tawag.
Nagtatambo lang ako.
Reminds me of the things that we went through.
Sige naman dyan, oh!
May talent pa lang.
Si siya, oh! Sige naman, oh!
And my mind began to beat
Yan! Ayun, oh! Si Jen! Hi! Si Gertie!
Ito pa paganda pa.
Sige na! Sol, ito! Please! Happy Valentine!
Valentine.
love is like a river that flows down to our veins.
Sorbet!
Feel the chill inside. Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. Feel the warmth inside.